severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cedar County, northwestern Scott County, Clinton County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stanwood, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eldridge, DeWitt, Long Grove, Loudon, Wheatland, Grand Mound, Delmer, Lost Nation, Calamus, Bennett, Charlotte, Donahue, McCausland, Wilton, Toronto, Dixon, Goose Lake, Maysville, New Liberty, and Malone. Take cover now. The National Weather Service